Hello everybody, this is probably the last of my shoe hunting. I paid $40 something for this, which after tax it's 48 and 49 cents total. I got, and it's a Columbia shoe, it says lighter, faster cushioning, and the model number. I got the size 9.5 because according to some the people that already bought it, it says a true size. Hopefully it's true size. If not, I'm gonna return it because if it doesn't fit, why force myself to wear it? This is the Escape Pursuit, and yeah, and this is the barcode. So, and the box says it's extra light, response foam, all that blah blah blah. Okay, let's open this up. This is the shoe. It's heavier. Let's do it. And take out what's inside. That out. Take that. Alright, so let me put it on and see if it's actual true fit, or is it too narrow or too short. So alright, hopefully I don't have issue with this shoe, which is actually 9.5. My feet is 9.5, and according to what I read, this is true size. So if it's not true size, then I'm kinda screwed. I didn't want to say that word because sometimes YouTube will do something with your video. Whoa, tight. That was way tight. Try that again. All right. So the shoelaces was really tight. Right, so it is true size. My toe right here. So I still have a little bit left. You just you put the shoelaces too tight, which is good, I guess. It keeps your foot from sliding forward. Just need. By the way, if you have issue with your foot sliding forward, just this knot here, tie it 3 times around. It's called just do a like a surgeon. It's called a surgeon knot, and it should prevent your foot from moving forward. It is pretty snug. And I get, it's probably because the shoelaces is too tight. This side I can feel a little bit tight there. Front, nope, no issues on the big toe, just the side. But it's probably just the shoelaces, or maybe it just need to be broken. So I'm gonna wear it for over a week, then I'll try it hiking, and I'll let you know if it's comfortable or if it's gonna give me blisters or not. But so far it's good, size is good, fit is good. All right, see ya. All right, testing my Columbia shoes. This is the Columbia Pursuit. Climbing up. Alright, so I made it down the hill, and it held up really well. And there's some places that are really slippery, so I kind of planted my foot and it held up. I didn't fall down. Anyway, yeah, it's good, not bad. It took me only like 2 days to break it in. It's like it's really comfortable now, and I wish the shoelaces were a little bit longer. It's kind of too short for me, and that's all the complaint I got, is that the shoelaces is too short. Anyway, I got this for $44, and after taxes, 48, including shipping. So not a bad deal. This is my first Columbia shoe, by the way. Columbia Pursuit hike trail shoe. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped you find your shoe right for you. And I hope to see you next time for more shoes, because I bought some more shoes for this year. I probably gonna keep, but I got 4 right now, so it's probably it for this year maybe. But who knows, if I find another clearance, then I'll buy some more, because I use it anyway. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Enjoy the outdoors safely.